Madam Speaker, it's now been 2 years since President Obama stood before a joint session of Congress to present a comprehensive and cost-effective plan to address our national jobs crisis. With all eyes now on Syria, the CR, and the debt limit, we cannot forget that the emergency for tens of millions of Americans is still painful and pervasive joblessness. It's now been 2 years, and the President's bill, the Americans Job Act, has still not even received a vote in this House. Madam Speaker, it's time to commit to a serious jobs agenda that stops sequester layoffs and provides real options for long-term unemployed people in our nation. It's time to bring the Americans Jobs Act of 2013 to the floor. Madam Speaker, the mantra of this Congress should be jobs, jobs, jobs.
The gentleman